So hi guys, today in this video I am going to unbox this Zebronics laptop stand, which is Zeb NS1000, and this is compatible with up to 17 inches laptop, and it has 6 adjustable levels. So let's do the unboxing. So it comes with a cover. And this is made up of plastic, hard plastic, and it opens like this, and it have 6 levels of adjustability. Here is the Zebronics branding, and it comes with this anti-slip silicone rubber pads which does not slip the laptop. So let's keep the laptop and see. So now I kept my 15-inch laptop on the stand, and the laptop is very stable. It does not move at all. The quality of the stand is also very good. The MRP written on the box of this product is 1400, but you can buy under 5 to 600 on Amazon or any website. So this was of today guys. I will meet you in the next video.